Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare curry leaves podi. Ingredients for curry leaves podi. Fresh curry leaves 100 grams, 4 tablespoons of urad dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 7 number red chili, little tamarind, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper and quarter teaspoon of oil, salt to taste. Keep the pan in flame, add little oil and add the chana dal. See, you have to wash the curry leaves thoroughly. No need to keep in sunlight, then you can keep outside in the shadow to dry. See, chana dal got fried. So we have added urad dal. These are all traditional recipe. We are going to add the red chili, black pepper, so we are going to add the tamarind as well with this. So both the dals got fried. You can add the salt, required salt, so we're going to switch off the flame, let the mixture to cool. Going to add the curry leaves. It's very good. It consists of iron. It helps in hair growth, as everyone knows. Have to keep in sim flame while frying the curry leaves. You should fry to the crisp consistency. See, you can hear the crispy sound. Till that time you have to fry. I have to switch off the flame now. So you can keep in the same pan. In the heat itself it will get dried more. You can hear the sound, no? It shows that it is crispy. Let it to cool. Transfer everything together in the same plate. Or get cooled now. So we're going to grind in the blender. See, you can hear the crispness sound of curry leaves. So like this you have to fry. We're going to transfer this one to the blender jar. So we have transferred all the ingredients. So you have to grind this one as a powder like this. You can store this one in the airtight container. This is curry leaves podi. In the hot rice you can add this one. Add 1 spoon of ghee, mix it well and have it. It's very tasty and very healthy. Curry leaves podi from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.